Welcome back. Stinking garbage of capital city has its fresh victim now. 11 students of People's High School fell sick because of terrible garbage smell on Wednesday. Students were given medical treatment, after which their condition was told to be normal.
This shocking incident comes after a week when hundreds of students took out a rally in the city against CCP's failure to tackle the garbage menace. On Tuesday morning, many students of People's High School found the garbage smell unbearable and 5 of them vomited. Other 6 had headache and stomachache. Teachers of the school are also reported to have felt sick along with students. Taking serious note of the situation, school authorities called for medical services. Students were given treatment and their situation was later stated to be normal.
We cannot bear. Bear आम्ही घेतलं केल्ले आसा अशें म्हणटा म्हण सर 5-6-7 जाण भुरगीं सामके आयली सर पोटान दुखता वोकारी येता आमच्यान सहन जायना म्हणून आनी एकट्या भुरग्याक तर ऑलमोस्ट चक्कर येवंक लागली हांव म्हणलें तूं बस म्हण ताका बसयलें हांवें तेच.
This is what students had to say after they felt sick due to stinking waste.
आयज 8:30 ते 9:30 सोडून वास येवंक लागलो. सगळे भुरग्यांची तकली दुखोंक लागली म्हणून आमी सगळे सकयल येवन रावले. सकयल भायर होते रावले मात ते कांय ना कळ्ळें. मागीर आमी सराक सांगलें दत्ता सराक. ते सांगलें लायब्ररीन बसा म्हणून.
Parents are also worried as their children have no option but to study in this unbearable condition.
म्हज्या व्हडल्या भुरगें आसा जे 8th स्टँडर्डान आसा ते लिटरली शी ब्रिंग्स हर टिफिन्स बॅक. टिफीन आसा पळय तर तांकां आमी सकाळीं कितें तरी करून दिता कित्याक वी आर वर्कींग पेरंट्स जेन्ना आमी घरा कडेन येता तेन्ना आमी कितें तरी तांकां त्रास करून सकाळीं करून दिता दे कांट हॅव बिकॉज त्या इतलो वास सकाळीं 9 येवपाचें एक्चुअली हांगासर यू शूड कम बाय 8:30.
With IFE around the corner, no proper solution has been found as yet to garbage menace by the authorities. If it continues, the beautiful capital city of the state will earn a bad name. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Though city children are suffering from the stinking garbage, a small respite has come to Panji Municipal Corporation. Government has finally decided to hand over Baingini site to CCP to set up treatment plant.
For almost 3 years, CCP was without any proper garbage site to tackle the waste. Now with Kurka villagers showing strong resentment for city waste and school children coming to street, Urban Development Ministry has finally given the approval for Baingini site.
We had given the place to the corporation, Baingini. All the formalities is over. Award is taken place, and now the collector will by today he'll hand over the place to the corporation. So in Baingini also we don't want to do any kind of dumping. We will have a meeting with NGO. All the party people get together and work it out, one of the best unique treatment plant. So that's why we'll take 2-3 months to sort out this problem.
Earlier in the day, CCP Mayor Tony Rodriguez, Commissioner Melvin Vaz and city hoteliers held meeting with Joaquim Alemão on disposal of hotel waste. But there were no proper consensus as CCP remained adamant on their stand not to pick hotel waste.
We are not collecting.
Baingini people had opposed to the earlier proposal of having treatment plant in their village. Now, although this decision of government can give peaceful sleep to Kurka villagers, it can definitely lead Baingini residents to sleepless nights. Our reporter from Panji, Manoj Arolkar.
The famous tourist destination Goa has become a victim of pedophilia. According to CRG, 13 cases have already been reported of pedophilia and 24 cases of child abuse. Similarly, CRG claims that many cases go unreported.
Over the course of years, there has been a slight increase. That is, in 2005, the number is increased to 53, 2006, 54, 2007, 82, and at present, we are dealing with a total number of 85 cases, of which so far 24 are of child abuse cases that CRG has handled. So, and if you're talking of pedophilia, as in tourism-related pedophilia, this year we've got around 5-6 cases reported to us on pedophiles coming to Goa. So with the tourism, yes, a number of cases have, as he was pointing out, with tourism in Goa, the cases have increased. Also, there are a number of cases that go unreported.
It's a group of 11 NGOs together who have been working for the prevention of child abuse, taking into consideration all the sections of society. A week-long program was organized from 13 to 19 November. 19 November, which is also observed as World Prevention Child Abuse Day. Our reporter in Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Indira Gandhi Jayanti was observed on the National Integration Day in state. Special function was held at Secretariat in Porvorim and Congress House in Panji.
To mark National Integration Day, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath administered oath to all the officials of the Secretariat. Pradesh Congress Committee President Subhash Shirodkar, South Goa MP Francis Sardina and others were present at the Congress House. Flowers were offered to Indira Gandhi portrait. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that if we accept and start practicing the working style of Indira Gandhi, most of our problems will get solved.
तिने केल्ले कार्य, तिची कारकीर्द, तिची कॅपॅसिटी, ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह कॅपॅसिटी आणि डिसिजन घेवपाची पद्धत हे सुद्धा जर आमी काही प्रमाणात आपणावपाक शकले तर खूपशे प्रश्न सुटतले अशें म्हाका दिसता. तिने गोंया खातीर केल्लें काम हेंय आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी म्हणूनच आयच्या ह्या दिसा आमी तिका उगडास करता आसतना तिने पक्षा खातीर केल्लें काम दोळे मुखार दवरून त्या पक्षाक घट करपा खातीर वावरप हेंच म्हाका दिसता आमी खऱ्या अर्थान तिचो याद केली आसता.
Subhash Shirodkar said that there is need of coming together and work to fill the gap of Indira Gandhi.
आशिल्ली जर जायत 91 वर्सांची आसता आशिल्ली ती 80 वर्सां पर्यंत जर उरिल्ली जाल्यार हे देशाचें चित्र कशें आसता आशिल्लें. कारण अशे प्रकारचे कणखर आनी प्रखर नेतृत्व जे आसा पळय न्ही ते आमकां हालींच्या 5-10 वर्सां पळोवपाक मेळटा, 5-10-15 वर्सां पळोवपाक मेळटा. तर तिने जे निर्णय घेतले देशाच्या संघटितपणा खातीर, देशाच्या विकासा खातीर, तर हे सगळें आमी लक्षात धरले जाल्यार याद केली जर जायत आमकां दिसता की तिच्या निधना नंतर ह्या देशाक खुबशें नुकसान जाल्लें आसा. नक्कीच हे एक सांगीपणान आमी तें भरून काडूंक शकतात. म्हणजे त्या प्रमाणे त्या प्रांतात सगळे कडेन एक सांगीपणान तें काम जावंक जाय. ते राजकीय स्तराचें हें काम जावंक जाय, सामाजीक स्तराचें काम जावंक जाय आनी जाल्यारच जी कितें पोकळी निर्माण जाल्ली आसा ती आमी काही बाबतीत तरी भरून काडूंक शकतले.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Rakesh Kanolkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.